done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.
Good morning, party people. Well, welcome to summer in England. We just landed in Manchester this morning. It's currently 15 degrees Celsius and raining slightly. So not quite the summer welcome we were hoping for, but it's fine. We're here with good spirits. We're gonna bring the summer energy regardless. So this week we're here for the GYMSHARK pop-up, which is happening the 13th and 14th in Manchester City. Very excited. This is my first time this far north in England. So this is Tristan's first time in England altogether. So we're gonna go for an adventure now. Hang out with some queens, just have a good time. We are running late, so just went and had lunch at a really great deep fried chicken place. So I'm feeling sick, and we're about to go to Ninja Warrior, so that should be fun. Meeting the team who are already down the lobby waiting.
Sorry, I'm Becky, lovely to meet you. Have you done
He's like the Australian ninja. You're Aussie? Yes. That's like, he is on, Nathan's been on the Australian American Ninja Warrior twice, right? That was a decent height.
Yeah. Well, there's a short one.
We're taking a walk around everything in here. Yo, look at this. That's the real deal. Like, Nathan is 6'5".
You wouldn't know it, but
How tall are you, Nathan?
5'8".
5'8". That is definitely two of you.
Easy.
All right, this one's a little bit shorter. We're gonna give this one a go with you guys in my hand. No, we're not.
There you go, you got it.
With one hand?
Yeah.
You think? Oh, yeah, you made that look easy. Oh yeah, okay. We got
Now
that one. All right, let's try, not with that. That one really hangs over.
Yeah, you need to finish.
You just run up as fast as you can.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We got this, Nathan. We got this.
What do we do now?
Let's go.
You swing.
Come on, Zach. You got it, Zach. You got it. Oh, you go.
That's how you tear a bicep.
Let's go! Under, hold under.
Huh?
Underneath it. There you go.
But I'm still a black belt. Hey, can I be on your team, Nathan? Yes!
Well done.
We're the ninjas.
Severe T-Rex arms though. Do they factor that into this?
Oh, that's sick. You are the greatest ninja.
Get high.
We got it.
I'll catch you next time. This one's going super fast. I lost the shoe.
Can you give me a hug like that one day? Just jump hug. What if you like to?
I drove up higher and the top bit.
Yeah, I think you could probably do that. Now try. There you go. Coconut.
Yeah.
Coconut climb. Jump.
No.
See? Yeah, that's tough.
Yeah, I
So close to doing a bicep.
I wanted to see that happen just because I knew it was going to end well. 3, 2.
So what do you do? Go as high as you can, bro. Yeah. Stay as high as you can. Yes, rapid. Yes, spin yourself. Yes, right away. Yes, take that. We can do this. One more.
Did I cheat?
No, you try the new technique. Wait, we go the other way.
What? Oh.
That way.
Oh, you go sideways. Come back here.
This is it.
Slowly sliding down.
Okay, Scott and Nathan, rock, paper, scissors to see who picks first.
Who picks first?
We're picking teams. So you two are captains.
Oh shit.
You two are captains. And you guys pick teams. So rock, paper, scissors to see who picks first.
And is everyone that's on here?
Everyone that's on the black is eligible.
Right. Yeah, we're draft right now. So and just scissors, paper, break on rock.
Or rock, paper, scissors if you're in America.
How do you do that?
Or England. Right? I see what you did. You did it backwards because you guys are in the southern hemisphere.
1, 2, bam. Oh! I win? I go
win.
first? You did. Okay, you went scissors. You're in.
Hey-o!
What's happening is we've split up into 2 teams, 5 people in each team. You got 3 people running course 1, 2 people running course 2. For any obstacle you can't do, you must do 10 complete burpees. Complete burpees. Down, hands up, push up.
All right, we're gonna go over the rules real quick. You don't complete an obstacle. You stop the obstacle, get off where you're at, go to the side. 10 complete burpee.
Complete burpee is down,
touch your chest,
hands up,
your hands up,
hands have to go up.
or just off the ground.
No, complete burpees.
That is not.
Don't listen to this shit.
Wait. Is that in Australia? This is a US burpee.
Because the US doesn't do anything properly. Go, America.
Let's go, yeah, plus 1.
3, 2, 1, go! Just again, burpees, so full burpees to go. Yeah. Go burpees.
I feel.
Yes. Well done. Breathe. Well done. Straight up. Well done, get that. Well done. Go! Oh, amazing. Nice. Well done. Good. You got this, you're gonna beat him. Straight across. Back. Breathe. This is 3, 2, 1. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Nice. Go. Kick your feet a bit. There you go. Kick in. Nice. Nice, well done.
America plus 1, come here.
Just Marika. And then plus 1.
No, you gotta say the plus 1 loud.
Okay.
That's my story.
We got stories.
Oh yeah, where's this? My phone right there?
For the victory.
Ooh, that's big. That's big. Okay, we saw.
We conquered.
America plus 1. Plus 1 came in big today. We did. You almost put a call away. Hey, you absolutely smoked it.
Dude, you smoked it.
Jimmy, you killed it. Nathan!
She killed it with the burpees.
Nathan, just give me 1 Marika. Just say it one time.
America!
Hey, you guys, let's kill it. Let's get it in here. What do we got? Marika plus 1?
Yeah. America plus 1 on 3.
Okay, plus 1 on 3.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. America plus 1. 2, 3. America plus 1.
Hey Nathan, how'd it go?
Oh, look how sweaty I am. But I'm really proud of my team. They did everything properly, and that's all we can ask for.
That's a lot of power right there. Ready, set, go! Oh, shoot!
Red light, turn it on.
Sorry.
I think that's the sword.
Alrighty. So we are down here at Frontline Fit Performance Center. I get that wrong every time. I get like first line, I don't know. Hey, so we're gonna train, I think, arms now. But it's real busy in here, so we'll see how we go. I think it's gonna be a bit of a push-pull arm superset. So bicep, tricep. I don't know. I'm just here to hang out with the boys, to be honest. Lads.
Make the ground shake.
We just finished. That was fun. Last little like bro session. That was like a real meathead session too. Just all the boys doing arms. Yeah, but it was fun. It was a good time. So now we're gonna get eat. I think Nando's is the consensus, and then sleep.
Sounds fun to me. Are we sleeping together?
I'm a man of my word. We are getting food. In fact, we've got food. Food is here. We've done it. We're at Nando's, which is like, GYMSHARK love Nando's. So I'm just embracing it.
Nando's is life.
Nando's is life.
See that?
Exactly.
Don't get big, but just eat it.
If the Bombers says it, it must be true. So yeah, we're gonna eat up and then head to bed because tomorrow is another day of adventures. What's that?
We're going to be heading to bed together.
Yeah, we're all sharing one single bed. It's gonna be cozy. See you guys tomorrow.